Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shilpa Taneja Mittal. I am an eye surgeon and I practice at Sehgal Neo Hospital, New Delhi. In the current scenario, when COVID has actually led to decreased immunity and patients who have had steroids, which is a life-saving drug for them during COVID, this combination has actually led to increase in the mucormycosis cases. What I need to emphasize today is the early signs which patients or people can themselves identify and come to us at an early stage so that we can treat them early on in the disease and give favorable and good prognosis. So what is black fungus or mucormycosis and why now? It is not a new disease. It was there way back. But when in past we used to see 5 to 10 cases in 10 years, now we see 10 cases per day. Such a humongous disease form it has spread to. And now when the cases are spiking in India and it being an aggressive and horrendous disease, it needs to be understood by each and every one of us. This disease basically now has proliferated because of poor immunity in COVID patients, especially with increased blood sugar levels, and that too when steroids were given in these patients. Through the air, it is inhaled and starts spreading in the nose, and then from nose it goes to the spaces around our eye. So the sinuses which are present all around our eye, it spreads into those sinuses and fills those sinuses up. Once the disease is in the nose or in the sinuses, the patients usually should feel some stuffiness in the nose, some obstruction while breathing, or some watery discharge through the nose. So if someone is having this, the person should come to the hospital and take treatment through the ENT surgeon. Next, the disease might spread to the palate or the jaw, the teeth area of our face. Patients might complain of jaw pain, gum pain, or loose teeth in such circumstances. In these cases, the people must go to the dentist and get themselves checked on the suspicion of the disease. But once the disease spreads into the eye, goes further, the patients usually will complain of decreased or loss of vision, inability to open the eyes, drooping of the eyes, inability to move the eyes right or left, up and down. So thus, at a slight suspicion, one must come to an eye surgeon or an ophthalmologist. A few late presentation of this disease in the eyes can be small black patches on the skin over the eyelids, which is nothing but the skin cells which are actually dying, thus the name black fungus. And it is extremely sad when patients come to us when both the sides of sinuses, nose are involved, and finally both the eyes get involved, practically leaving the patient blind. Early detection leads to early start of the treatment and is life-saving and is sight-saving. We can save the vision of the patient. It is such an aggressive disease that in certain circumstances we need to remove the vital organs from the patient's face in order to save patient's life. Once the disease progresses and goes into the brain, we can just increase the dose of the drugs to be given, and there is nothing much more which can be done. Early detection of the disease is very important. One gets scared that I have had COVID, I am a diabetic, I have had steroids. Still, it is not necessary that black fungus or mucormycosis is bound to happen to you. So if you have mild redness in the eye, mild foreign body sensation in the eye, or a mild black spot, many patients come these days with black spots in the eyes, those are not mucormycosis or black fungus. Have a high degree of suspicion. Do not ignore your symptoms, but do not get unnecessarily worked up also, and get your treatment started early. It is an aggressive disease, but still we can defeat it. Thank you all. If you have some queries, there are numbers which are being displayed. You can call on them. You can get your queries solved, or you can come to us and show yourself. घबराएं नहीं, just be cautious. धन्यवाद.